Calculation Options. In the Formulas tab, there's a group called Calculation. Here we can see options Calculate Now, Calculate Sheet, and Calculate Options. Within Calculate Options, there's Automatic and Manual. Automatic calculation is when formulas are automatically recalculated when you make a change. And this would be the default. Normally, if I make a change to a figure over here, it would automatically recalculate any formulas that are using that cell. If, however, you change this to manual, manual means that the recalculation will only happen when you actually request it. So now, for example, if I change this to 100, you'll notice that no change has happened over here. If I click Calculate Now, then it will update the sheet and bring in the recalculation of the formulas. So by default, everything is on automatic, but you can change it to manual, and if you change it to manual, then you decide when you want to calculate the sheet, which is this button, or Calculate Now means that it recalculates the entire workbook. Why would you change it to manual? If you have a very large spreadsheet, when you make a change to a number, it then goes and recalculates everything if it's on automatic. On large spreadsheets, thousands and thousands of rows, this might stop for a second and create a bit of time for it to do that, and that might delay you when you're entering in your data. So rather than it delaying you while you're entering your data, maybe change the calculation options to manual, enter all of your data with no recalculation delays, and then at the very end click Calculate Now, and then you've only the one delay for the recalculation. So on kind of regular spreadsheets daily, I would have automatic as my setting, but the odd time you might change it to manual on those larger spreadsheets that you experience those delays.